Alright guys, gonna do something a little different here today. Manifold on the 504 wasn't looking very good, particularly here in the middle. It was kind of pitted, and I wasn't sure how it was going to seal up. I tried running the die grinder across it, but the gasket and the mating surface had just kind of all grown to one material. So I'm going to go in here and mill a new face on it. Got going here a little bit. I'm taking, I don't know, 10 or 20 thousandths off of it. Probably 20 thousandths or so off the face of this. I didn't look to see what when I started cutting, how much farther I went down, but yeah, just I got an auto feed setup I could do to run it across there, but I'll probably just do a hand feed setup. Just move it back and forth like this. Got it all clamped in there, and I've only used this mill two other times in my life, I think, so I'm not terribly comfortable with it. Or I'd set up the auto feed on it to just where it'd go across, and I could walk away and go do something. But cast mill's pretty easy. I've done this on our manifold on the 1850 last winter. I'm almost going to get too wide here. Back out this way. Speed that up a little bit. Sure don't want it to catch. These things hold it in there pretty solid though. Grandpa, he went to school to be a machinist, and then through his lifetime he started doing more and more fabrication stuff where we weren't really hardly doing any machining work. And that's pretty much what this shop has done for the past 25 years or so, just metal fabrication, build staircases and stuff. Like I'll have to make 3 passes along there. Right here's a real bad spot in the middle where all that heat is. Oh, I didn't get that manifold set on there straight. That's why I'm having to keep moving it. That's alright. Let's see. Check that amateur error there. pretty ate out on this side. It's not cutting a lot off. There we go. There's the first pass. I'll clean that off and check it and come back to you. Alright, this side was ate out real bad here where the manifold or all that heat comes out. Up here is real bad. So you can see I made a couple passes here trying to get it cut down far enough where I can get it clean surface again. So I think I finally got it cut down there. I'll be able to come across the make 2 more passes then and get it all cleaned up. I went ahead and set up the auto feed on it. You can change, it's got 5 different speed settings right there. You just move this thing and then that makes it go back the other way, and then that goes like that. Looking pretty good though. Making a nice finish on it and everything. Better than what was even on there. That's always good. So you got 2 speeds, high, low and high here, or low and high, and then it's got this variable speed belt in there. You just turn this knob and you can adjust it. We're probably running 950 to 1000 RPM right now, probably about 1000. This end don't look too hot. Well, I guess it is better. They kind of chipped away back there too, but it's got a decent face on it. Oh, I'll come back to you here when it gets done. Already got it all machined out here and looks good. And right there, it's not so hot. I cut it down a little, but I don't want to go too much more. But I think it turned out pretty good. It's definitely flat. It'll definitely seal up, that's for sure, and that's what we wanted anyways. So better than it was. This down here might need a little attention. I don't know about getting that pipe out of there either. I'd have to probably just get a new manifold at that point, but we might be able to make something work here on the exhaust pipe. So we'll see. And where carburetor mounts up looks pretty good, so it'll probably be alright. But that'll probably do it for running the mill, so thanks for watching.